Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Humiliates Herself After Refusing to Leave Train."
She assaulted me and I want to press charges.
Okay, well,
I saw somebody on the floor. They was on the floor. She clawed me in the face.
okay, slow down.
She
What happened?
clawed me. I'm not slowing down. My heart races. She beat me up. She took me and she choked me and she raped me.
Who did?
I cooked her in the coochie, but she ain't kicked. She ain't kicked no eggs. I could take her babies. I could take those bitches.
What are you talking about?
Can you tell them to get off me?
All right, we'll talk to you in a minute.
She said that she clawed me in the face, pressed charges on her.
Who?
Her, that girl that keeps telling y'all to come over me.
Okay.
I'm not here.
Sit
I'm not
down.
going to talk to you guys.
What happened?
What happened? What am I guilty of? What
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Sit
You're
down.
not going to figure out nothing. I didn't
Okay,
do nothing.
you're not free to leave.
I'm not, okay, I know I'm here, but I'm telling you what happened. I'm not going to
Okay,
go
well, I
nowhere.
still don't
I didn't do nothing.
understand.
I'm here.
I still don't understand.
We are blob fish talking to each other. Get out of my face. I have homework. Get off of me, up your enforcement chest with guns. I'm not here for gun violence. I'm here to cure us off the media, to get us off the train. Get us off the train.
Okay.
Get us off the train. I'm not serious.
Go talk to the
She
state.
literally clawed me in the face. That's what happened.
Okay.
I was just trying to get on the train.
Do not touch me.
Okay, let me calm down. Can I go
No,
sit
you
where
can
the
sit
air?
down right there.
It's really hot, and I'm seeing her, and she
Sit
feels
down.
like I'm bleeding.
Sit down.
I'm bleeding. Where's my distance?
You need an ambulance?
I don't know. See, I'm literally 18 playing this with 20-something-year-olds aunties from Philadelphia, Jello, two friends.
Okay, take a seat and relax.
Sit
Sit down and chill. I need you to chill out for me.
I can't sit down right now. I'm gonna keep going crying. You can't do this to her. Let me just go back to the train station. Let's get on the train.
We're going
on it. There's no way. I'm on the
with
ride.
her first thing.
There's no way.
She's apparently assaulted.
No, she clawed me and she assaulted me. What are you talking about? I'm black, girl. Oh my God, you get off the train. Let me just, it's cool. Everything gone. Somebody was shot in the head. I saw it, and I literally started screaming, and she clawed me in the face, and they covered it up and went away.
How old are you?
I'm 18. Get out of my face. Yes, I'm. He's trying to go. He's trying to go. Hi.
We don't know they came in like
She happened to be there.
Yeah.
You're telling her to get out of the way.
Get out the train, yeah.
Okay. And then she swings at you with a closed fist
Yeah.
twice.
Yeah.
Do you have any injuries or anything?
No, she hit me twice. And I want to press charges.
She tried to hit you or she?
No, she hit me
Okay.
twice.
All right. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with her because she's like completely nuts. So
To be honest, her mental state has nothing to do with me when I was assaulted.
I understand, but there's also we got to figure out if it's here or if she means to hurt people. I get what you're saying. So right now, I got to figure out if she needs a hospital or if she needs to go to jail. You see what I'm saying? Taking care of it at a later date might have to be what we do. Okay. Did she hit you where? Okay. Twice.
What are we going to do with her? We still got to figure out what's going on.
Now they come with me. Sammy, can you stay with the CTA lady, get her name and everything? All right.
I did my job.
CTA lady saying that she hit her twice in the face.
She hit me in the face. There was blood. I saw it. Somebody got hit, and then she.
Somebody got to break that down to me, because it's not adding up, man. If I got hit in the face and I want to press charges, and you tell me I might have to take care of it at a later date, what? I ain't never heard of that. Now, am I saying that she may not need a psych eval or something like that? Yeah, probably. She's gonna have to go through, but she should definitely be going to jail. Like, what are you talking about? I just got hit in the face, and you talking about I might have to take care of that at a later date? I gotta see what's going on. I hear what you saying. That is not what I want to hear. Like, what are you talking about? I ain't never heard that. That's crazy right there. You heard what he said? Watch. You heard what he said? Did you hear that part?
I get what you're saying. So right now, I got to figure out if she needs a hospital or she needs to go to jail. You see what I'm saying? Taking care of it at a later date might have to be what we do. Okay.
What the? What? Nah.
You wear? Okay. Twice.
What are we gonna do with her? We still gotta figure out what's going on.
So McNally, come with me. Sammy, can you stay with the CTA lady and get her name and everything? All right.
I did my job.
CTA lady saying that she hit her twice in the face.
She hit me in the face. There was blood. I saw it. Somebody got hit, and then I started screaming, and she caught me in the face. That's what happened. I'm telling y'all what happened. Y'all get the off the train and help me. I'm seriously. My nipples are huge. She took off my clothes.
Put your shirt down.
She showed my vagina. She showed how big my
your shirt down.
nipple, black nipples are. That everybody loves. Because I'm so burning them and dirt and become so natural to the beauty of the art that has been shown to our creation because of the police coming at me and making.
Okay, do you need an ambulance?
I just need to get fresh air. Can you guys just get off the train? Can you guys just get off the train?
No.
I'll be okay.
You're coming with us off the train.
I'll be okay.
Okay.
Will you get me back on the train?
I don't know yet, but either way, we gotta get off.
Yes, no.
Huh?
I'm my boyfriend.
Come on.
Will you marry me?
Step off the train for me.
Are we good? What are you thinking of me?
Step off the train.
Like 18, 19 years old.
Step off the train for me.
Like, whatever. Okay, I get it.
What the hell is go? She is nuts. I ain't gonna lie. She is crazy, man. I don't know if she's telling the truth, but saying that she's 18 or whatever. But damn, how do you get like this that young? She don't even look 18. She look older. Like she look. Damn, she's aging like milk.
Whatever is going on is
Alright, for right now, put your hands behind your back.
Let me fix my bra.
Relax.
For me. Are you going to fix it for me?
We'll fix it for you.
Okay. Because now it's getting really sad.
You gonna give us your name? Alright, so let them know we had a separate thing. Make us a separate ticket for a battery here. Tell him your name.
What's your name? What's your first name? How do you spell that?
I'm not telling you a single damn thing. I don't know
Okay,
shit.
you're under arrest for battery.
For what?
For battery.
You
wanna take her? I'll take her jacket. Guide her down there. Just keep hold on her so she doesn't.
Nope. Stand up.
I can't
Stand up.
My
She only did that because she heard the sergeant say that. Playing the game. She dropped down like that because she heard the sergeant say, hey, make sure you hold her so that way she don't. And then next thing you know, she gonna fall. Come on, man.
jacket, put it on my
I
head.
have your jacket. No.
But no, can you guys not arrest me?
Keep walking.
Can you guys not arrest me? Leo?
Stop.
Look, can you not arrest me?
Keep walking.
Can you open the door for me?
What?
Not right now. Come on.
I just have a voice from There's people behind me talking. I'm innocent. Seriously.
She got her pants. Make sure she's on that.
20-year-old. How old are you? 18? You said?
15.
How old?
15.
15?
CTA lady saying that you hit her in the face twice. I need you to tell us your name so we can get you out of here in like 30 minutes. Can you please give us your name? If not, I gotta fingerprint you and do a bunch of extra stuff.
Nia.
Nia? Okay, Nia, what's your last name?
No last name.
I need your full name.
That's my full name.
Okay.
Shit, I'm Nia the alone.
Nia, listen to me carefully, okay? Spell it for
I
me.
just got to America.
Okay, that's fine. I just need your legal last name.
Yeah, Albornian.
Spell the last name.
Albornia.
Right now, you're just getting charged with a simple battery, okay? If you refuse to provide your correct name or you give me a false name, I have to charge you with extra charges. And you're going to be here longer.
She hit me in the
Okay, that's fine. You can contest it at court.
I don't care. I'm not going anywhere because I was on the train.
You can go back to the...
You saw me on the train. You saw me on the train. You didn't
Right.
see me
So right now it's not a time to discuss...
What are you talking about I did touch her.
Can you open your candy book and read her Miranda since she wants to talk about...
I'm not going nowhere. I'm not staying nowhere. I'm staying right here, and that's all you're gonna get.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you. You have the right to consult with an attorney before or during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be provided without charge before any questioning. Do you understand these rights? Do you understand these rights? Do you understand these rights?
Young lady, just so you know, the way we do things around here is very simple. The faster you give us this stuff, the faster we'll process you and we'll get you back on your way. You're not going to be in here a long time. We don't want to keep you in here any longer than you want to be. So if you give us your first name, we verify that. You give us your first name, your last name. We find your information, we process you, we get you out of here. You understand? Got it?
Alright, we're going to take your fingerprints here in a second, okay? And it'll tell us your name. Alright, and then we'll get all the information that we need.
The only thing with doing the fingerprints first.
I'm going to call you Nia because that's what you told me your name was. Nia, how can we make this easier for you? What can we do?
Can you just tell me your first name? Is it Ania or Nia? Is it N-I-A?
I believe she gave me Karen on scene too.
I got you. What's your last name?
I'm telling you, they rubbed blood on my head.
So you're going to drop it right in the middle, yeah?
Okay. Got it.
You're making this incredibly difficult, and you're racking up more charges on yourself, which I don't understand why you would want, considering you don't want to be here in the first place. Stop.
Okay, so I was looking up something as we watching this, right? And what I was looking up was because the lady was like, given a BS last name and stuff like that, and she said I don't have a last name. So I was actually curious as to, do you have to have a last name? I don't know, random things just be popping into my mind. Okay? And it says, while you have broad freedom in naming your child in the United States, giving a child no last name is generally not allowed or is impractical. That part, I don't know. Some of you parents, let me know. You know what I mean? Do you have to provide a last name to your child? Do you have to have a last name? I would assume, like, obviously middle names are optional, right? But do you have to have a last name? Can you just have one name, right? How she said Nia, no last name, which we obviously know isn't true. But I'm just curious about that. I would assume you have to have a first and last name. But I'm just curious though. Random things my mind just start roaming, Sometimes I drift away from the body cam because something just sticks out and I gotta look it up,
So why are you not telling me the truth?
Because I couldn't remember.
You couldn't remember your name?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because she struck me in the head. She
Okay.
beat me up on the floor.
So here's what's going to happen.
She sat on my back.
Okay, so here's what's going to happen. That is CTA security. You cannot hit them. Do you understand that? You can't hit people. So what comes after hitting a security guard is probably her trying to restrain you because she wants you arrested. Why did you hit her?
I didn't mean to.
What happened that led to you striking her?
Because I saw
Take a deep breath.
and I didn't know what to say.
You saw something?
Yes.
What did you see?
It was ghost. It was black. It was just black. It was scary. I saw
Okay, so you saw something you didn't know what to say.
And then she was in my face yelling, "Little girl, get out of my face." Stuff like that. And she's
Okay.
security. So
All
I
right.
slapped her.
So you slapped her?
Yeah.
Twice?
Once. Sorry, I didn't remember. I lied because I'm so sad that you guys would arrest me. That I was just sitting on the train, and she hit me first, and I hit her back because she's a black girl with a ugly ass wig on because she was jealous of me.
Okay, none of that's true.
That's what happened.
Okay, so we're gonna charge you. We're gonna charge you here today. We'll get the camera for court.
I was sitting on the chair.
Okay.
Please, I beg you, don't beg me.
Take a seat in there.
Please.
Take a seat. Do you want some McDonald's while you wait?
Please.
Huh?
Please don't charge me of anything. Just
Well, I have to charge you with the battery. I have to charge you with battery.
Can you let me go?
No.
Can you prove that someone was hit?
Yes, I can.
So I'm not
take a
gonna
seat.
be able to leave like you said.
You are gonna leave. You're gonna leave in a half hour. I gotta get the paperwork done.
Okay.
Do you want some McDonald's while you wait?
In a half an hour, I'll be able to.
Yes.
Get home.
About a half hour, 45 minutes. You're gonna walk out of here.
Okay.
Do you want some McDonald's while you wait?
Chipotle.
McDonald's.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Sure.
Do you need to call anybody?
No.
All right.
I need you to grab all your garbage. You put it in that garbage can right there. Go to that open door. Here's your bathroom.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct, battery, and obstructing justice. If you enjoyed this video...
Wow. How the hell she get McDonald's, man? Food like that is only reserved for you know, for people that's talking. You supposed to give her the bologna sandwich, you know. It might be a little green, but it's all right. You know, your stomach it'll get used to it. You know, it ain't gonna hurt you a little bit, but that's what they supposed to get, man. Crazy, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.